Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you hear a bunch of ruckus, that's just my kids being crazy as usual. I'm going to be opening this package upside down. This is from Ophelia Soapery. So let's get into this. So here is the package. It smells so good. I could smell it when I opened my mailbox. It was amazing. Okay, so this package here, I got 3 bars of soap with shipping. It cost me $37.75. I ordered it April 10th and it arrived here April 18th.
I'm okay.
My son just tripped and then said, "I'm okay." So, and each bar was $10 and shipping was $7.75. So here's what it looks like when you first open it. Very pretty. She has new stickers, which are really cute, and it looks like she has a new stamp. Jameson, what are you doing, buddy?
My painting.
Oh, we're not gonna play with those. You want to come sit next to me? Come stand over here. Alright, so let me open it up. And here are the 3 bars that I got. I got oat milk, Pear Berry, and Seaside Cotton. She has them wrapped in a cigar band style label with simple printing paper and black ink and the shrink wrap packaging. And she usually keeps the bottom open so that you could do a little sniff sniff. And there that is. Okay, and the second one here is Pear Berry. Very pretty top. Same style of packaging, very cohesive. And then the Seaside Cotton. Little shells on top, very cute. Same style of packaging. And that is what was in this package. What are you doing, James? You need down? Oh, you're fine. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open all of these up for you and show you what they look like on the inside. Now, if you follow her on Facebook, then you probably already know what these look like. You could watch her make them on her channel. And she uses a clear sticker to adhere them instead of tape, which I think it gives it a really clean look. And you could just slide it out. And here is what it looks like. This soap has... What, buddy? Come here. You want down? There you go. You're down. Okay, so this soap has olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, castor oil, distilled water, sodium hydroxide, sugar, fragrance, sodium lactate, titanium dioxide, oatmeal, and vanilla powder. So there it is. And her bars do come planed and beveled. This isn't an ice cream cone, buddy. Alright, and so here's the next one. The Pear Berry. I feel like I'm breathing heavy because I'm congested, but I'm not sick. So I'm going to go ahead and push it out of the sleeve. And this one here is a fruity fresh fragrance blend of ripened pear, raspberries, strawberries, and gooseberries with slight musk undertones. It also has olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, castor oil, distilled water, sodium hydroxide, sugar, fragrance, sodium lactate, and colorant. And it smells very fruity. It smells kind of like shampoo, like an herbal essence type shampoo. Very fruity, very good smelling. Very pretty marbling. And I'm going to go check the TV volume to see why my son just turned it up. Okay, so there's this bar. Very pretty. Very clean smelling. And the last one we're going to do is the Seaside Cotton, which is, let's see here, the fresh ozone marine notes, which blend nicely with romantic based notes of sheer musk and amber. So I'm guessing it's going to smell like clean. This one has vanilla powder in it also, with all of the same base oils. And so here we have the sand, the water, and the sky. How pretty is that? The sides kind of look like waves. And then there's the top. The little soap shells. Very pretty. Oh, yep, that smells like cotton. Like a classic cotton smell. Very clean smelling. Alrighty, guys. And these all say that they, I believe, what's the weight? 6.5 ounces. Yeah, 6.5 ounces. So, here we go. There's the soaps. I am going to do a lather test with one of these, and I will bring you back when I have my bowl set up. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use the oat milk one because this is the one I'm going to use as soon as I'm done filming, so I can get myself a shower because quarantine has been rough on me and I need a shower to feel better. So, I'm going to go ahead and get this wet, lather it up, and show you guys how well it lathers and how creamy it is and all that fun stuff. So, let's get it wet. Whoop, it's very slippery. It's a little bit different than running it under fresh water. There we go. So here you see it has really nice bubbles. It's a nice thick bar, which makes it wear down nicely. But it has nice, small, condensed, creamy lather bubbles. And I'm going to go ahead and set that aside and just show you guys. Yeah, a nice, creamy, soft. It's very moisturizing. I love this soap in particular for my face. It doesn't dry my face out at all. It's very, very creamy. It's moisturizing without being overly moisturizing. And it doesn't make me break out and pimples or anything. It's really nice, and it's so nice for the hands, especially with washing your hands so often. It doesn't dry them out. So, definitely going to need to go rinse these off in my sink, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to go check out our website, it's opheliasoapery.com, and yeah, go ahead, check out our YouTube channel. You probably have. If you're watching my channel, you already know about her. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're having a safe time at home, and hang in there, and I will see you guys when I make my next soap, which hopefully will be soon. And I'll see you next time, I guess. All right, guys. Bye.